Alright, let's unbox these dumbbells. The brand is Nuobell, and they are very good. So I just took out of the box the other one, so I'm going to show you this one if you've never seen them before. They are very nice. One of the best ones that you can find out there. They're kind of pricey. You're going to spend like about $900 for one of these, but I think they are well worth it. So now, as you can see, it comes with this manual. I'll show you the manual maybe later. So here it comes with this, I think, a QR code, just in case if you want to see the manual. And here we have all the packaging, so you can see here. So I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see it. So here, this is where you're going to get. Some people, they are complaining that this is plastic. For now, I didn't have any issue with the other one. So basically you put the plates here, and that's it. And this is, I think it's all metal, this part, and this is plastic, as you can see here. So now I'm going to start putting the other plates here. Alright, so I want to try to show you the inside of the box so that way you can see it. To change the camera. Okay, so this is how it comes. A lot of plastic. I wish they could do the same thing as Sennheiser. They use paper instead of so much plastic. So this is where you're going to get this. So like that. So as you can see here, we have this that you rotate once it's in the cradle, and you can change the width. So alright, so now we have the box is empty. Now we can change here. Let's get rid of so much plastic. Alright, now we are going to grab the cradle. We're going to put everything here so that you can see. One thing that I wish they could have done it you know, they could just ship it everything the way it's supposed to be instead of trying to assemble it manually. So I think is this thing that you see here, you see, this goes in this area here. There we go. And this goes like that, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it goes like this. And this, I think this doesn't matter. Let me check this. I think with the hole goes in the middle. I'm going to test it right now. And now we do the same thing with the other. There we go. So basically, when you spin this, the axle will extend in both ends, and then it's going to hold everything in place. So now we put it like that, and there we go. You see? Okay, so when you want the 80, it will take this plate as well. So if you leave it in 80, and then you can lift it up, move it elsewhere, and that's it. For now, it looks very nice. I have the cheapest one, or the one that you can get for $200, you know, the regular ones, and the problem is that when you sit it on the cradle and you want to take them out, usually get stuck and you lift up the cradle as well. So hopefully with this, I'm not going to have this issue. If you have any question, please let me know, section below, and talk to you soon.